Analyzing current location data. Stand by. Count. We're docked at GHYL 8X fleet carrier in the EL Pro Quebec Charlie-Kilo Charlie 9-0 star system. Security level. Anarchy. Controlling faction. Fleet carrier. Traffic stats show a total of 84 ships. None this week or today. Deaths recorded. 1 total. None recent. That's the sitrep.
What are your capabilities?
Oi Crondor, I'm James, your sharp co-pilot at Lone Wolf. I handle a bloody extensive array of commands and queries for ship ops and data analysis in service of the Empire. I can execute over 100 specific actions, from navigating to trade stops, calculating carrier routes, deploying hardpoints, to setting speeds and toggling systems like night vision or radio. I also manage fighter orders, trade profiles and mining targets. On the intel front, I can query everything from current location data, organic samples and stellar object analysis, to carrier fuel status, active missions, and pirate mission progress. If it's ship control or data we need, I've got the knack to sort it sharpish.
Can you help me with trade?
Right, Crondor. Let's get cracking on trade. Use your trade ship and say, plot me a trade route, to start buying low and selling high. Ensure your ship has cargo capacity, even if it's just a sidewinder with 1 rack. Set your trading profile with voice commands like, alter trading profile starting capital 20 million, and other settings for distance, stops, and preferences. Then, say calculate trade route, and give Spanch 30 to 60 seconds to compute. Navigate with, plot route to next trade stop. On arrival, I'll announce what to buy or sell. Check details with, what am I buying here? Or, where am I selling this cargo? Keep the loop going until the route's done or you override it. Let's make some serious credits.
Alright, pop open the galaxy map, please.
Right away, Crondor. Route set.
All right, let's go.
Of course, my lord. Traveling through hyperspace en route to Kajira, Star Class K, scoopable for fuel. Traffic, total 7,373, weekly 34, daily 4. Deaths, total 254, weekly 0, daily 0.
Clear reminders, please.
Arrived at final destination. Kojara, certainly, Commander. Reminders cleared.
Analyze detected signals. What do we have here?
Count. We've got a right mess of signals in Kojira. Detected 9 fleet carriers, including Twilight Sparkle Victor 2 November-20 X-Ray and Heart of Gold Bravo 5 Golf-2 Hotel Zulu. Also picked up 1 nav beacon, 1 station asteroid named Toligarph's Junkyard, 1 agricultural installation, and 2 resource extraction sites. Proper busy system, this.
Who is in charge in this system? What's the control faction?
Oi, Crondor. I've got no data on who controls this system's functions. The intel's blank, mate. Need to dig deeper or get fresh scans on this one.
Controlling faction, check the security.
Analyzing system security. Stand by. Crondor, I've assessed Kojera. Security level is medium. Not exactly Fort Knox, but it'll do. No power play state or control progress to report, so no big players muscling in. Population's at 234,000 plus change. Traffic's moderate with 7,373 total visits. 34 this week, and 4 today. Death counts at 254 total. But 0 this week and today. System's stable. No immediate threats. We're good to go.
Drop.
Affirmative, Commander.
Contact the tower, see if they got a parking spot for us.
Affirmative, Crondor.
Taxi us in, would you?
Oi, Crondor. Taxes in this sector? Blimey, the Empire's always got its hand out for a bit of dosh. I reckon we're looking at the usual Imperial tithe, about 20% on trade goods, and a flat rate on ship registry. If you've got specifics on a system or cargo, I'll dig deeper, but without data, I'm just spitballing the standard rate. Lay it on me if you've got more to chew over.
What's our trade profile set at?
Analyzing trade profile. Stand by. Alright, Crondor. Here's the trade profile, sharp and proper. We've got a max of 5 hops, each no more than 390 light years. Starting capital is 250 million credits. Cargo capacity tops at 208 units. Stations must be within 6,000 light seconds from arrival. We require large pads, no dodgy prohibited goods, but planetary landings are a go. No fleet carriers though. Permits are fine, and we're cleared to stop at enemy strongholds. Trade settings locked and loaded. Market data available.
Okay, calculate trade route, please.
Contact. Commence system shutdown.
Certainly, my lord. Calculating trade route. Please wait. This takes time. No trade route found. Try landing at a station. I might have better luck finding a trade route.
Alright, open galaxy map.
Yes, Count.
Ellington say, "Hey, how are you doing, Crondor?"
Hey, good evening or good morning.
Voice input disabled.
Cosmic Quill VT say, "Hello, how's it going?"
Hey,
Route set.
testing out the changes to the trading.
Voice input enabled.
Activate.
Affirmative. Count.
Dawn Treader plays EDO say, "Whoops, wrong user."
Ship detach complete. Watch for oncoming traffic when passing through the airlock.
Actually, computer, plot the route back to the trade carrier.
Certainly. Crondor.
Let's put the tritium into the carrier, and then find the system.
Affirmative, my lord. Invalid fuel reserve value received. Route set.
Dawn Treader
Right,
plays
Crondor, I'm on
EDO
it. We'll
say.
track down that
You
system
mean in
sharpish.
the
Give me
game
the codes or
trading,
name,
where your
and I'll
elite
plot the course
intel
from
trading
Lone Wolf.
program?
No faffing about. Streaming mode is on. Prefix your command with word computer.
Hold on, I missed that message, so let me go and look what it was. Let me check where I'm going before I crash into something. Alright, let's see.
Cosmic Quill VT say. Cool bot.
You mean the game trading or Elite Intel trading programming? Yeah, the Elite Intel trading programming. I did some changes to the app. So I'm back in Colonia. I'm going to check the trade stuff and the finding hunting grounds for the stacking of the Pirate Massacre missions. It should be able to stack now, like one hunting ground versus 2 systems, 3 systems, 4 systems with the provider. Systems that have emission providers. Computer, let's get out of here. Might not like it now.
I am listening.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Certainly, Count. Then route to EL Pru QCKC90, Star Class G, scoopable for fuel. Traffic, total 84, weekly 0, daily 0. Deaths, total 1, weekly 0, daily 0.
Meantime, find us some hunting grounds, would you?
Final destination, EL Pru QCKC90. Affirmative, Krondor. Found 5 mission providers. Ask me to navigate to mission provider.
How can you help me with missions?
Right, Krondor. I'm here to back you up on these missions, with hard intel and sharp nav. I can tweak your settings with plain speak, toggle route announcements or discovery alerts, set mining targets like Paynite, or flip on the radio for juicy pirate chatter. For Pirate Massacre missions, I'll scout hunting grounds within a light-year range, pinpoint target systems and mission providers. You recon the target, confirm resource sites, then I'll plot the route to pick up missions. Track kills and profits with me as you go. Ask for route or discovery details anytime. I've got your 6.
Optimize approach speed.
Certainly, Krondor.
Drop.
Yes, Command. Back at base.
Contact the tower, get us a parking spot.
Right away, Krondor.
Access granted. Commander, you are
Taxi.
Certainly, Commander.
request accepted. Your docking computer has assumed control.
Streaming mode on.
Right away, Krondor. Streaming mode is on. Prefix your command with word computer.
I'll drop off to the tritium here and probably go to Colonia. If I cannot find any trade, that means in the last 3 hours nobody been trading in Colonia, so there is no data in Sponge. And that's why we can't find anything. And if that's the case, I will go back, swap the ship, and we will go and pew-pew some pirates. Sponge requires like a station to a starting station to start polluting the trade routes. If you don't have one, it will try to find one within a reasonable distance
Market
from
data
you.
available.
But I noticed that it is better if you are parked at a station. However, if there is no data that is within the last 3 hours, it will fail to find anything, because I'm ignoring all the data that is older within 3 hours. Otherwise, you may end up with bad trades. Computer, set fuel reserve 14,550.
Affirmative, Krondor. Fuel reserve set to 14550.
Computer, disable streaming mode.
Affirmative, my lord. I am listening.
Alright, open up the galaxy map.
Affirmative, Krondor. Route set.
Activate.
Right away, Krondor.
Landing clamp disengaged. You have liftoff.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Aye, aye, Krondor.
Vessel has departed the no fire zone. This is Control, signing off.
En route to Colonia. Star Class F, scoopable for fuel. Traffic. Total 20,479. Weekly 100. Daily 20. Deaths. Total 3,842. Weekly 7. Daily 1.
Check the detective signals. What do we have here?
Right, Count. I've got a signal on the scopes. Detected a fleet carrier. Designation Lone Wolf Golf Hotel Yankee Lima 8 X-ray. Parked at EL Pru Quebec Charlie
Never mind, that's all data.
0 Alpha. That's all the chatter in this sector. Roger that, Krondor. All data acknowledged. Standing by for further orders.
Alright, I'll have to check and make sure that I clear the cache after the jump to the next system, because otherwise you're receiving the wrong data. And therefore you're giving me wrong reports. Not your fault.
Affirmative, Krondor.
Set optimal speed.
Of course, count.
Now let's try our luck here.
Of course, my lord.
Drop.
Right away, count.
Okay, request docking.
Of course, Krondor.
Calculate the trade route.
Affirmative, Krondor.
Landing gear deployed. Docking successful.
Market data available.
Calculate trade route, please.
Aye, aye, Krondor.
Alright, something fishy is going on. Let's check. Because I should hear the pings as it's pinging the pinging sponge. Did I break something? Quite possible. Now let's see what kind of error messages we get. This is still in beta. It's not finished software. I'm still working on it.
Voice input enabled. Good evening, Krondor. Connecting to LLM. Connection successful.
Calculate the trade route, please.
Certainly, my lord.
Yes, we do have a problem. We do have a problem. I probably have a null pointer exception somewhere. Runtime exception. DAO operation failed. Ship DAO. Really? It forgot what ship I'm in? did not expect that, but that's what testing is all about. I didn't finding problems. Ship down. We are selecting from ship, obviously. What else are we going to be selecting from? Select from ship. So I am in Void River. No trade profile. Okay, so apparently I somehow deleted my trade profile. Should have a trade profile ID. Select everything from trade profile. So Void River is 1. That would be
Voice input enabled. Good evening, Crondor. Connecting to LLM. Connection successful.
what is my trade profile?
Analyzing trade profile. Stand by. Error processing request.
So I will have to dig offline somewhere in the code because I managed to completely nuke the trade profiles. That is fine. Delete from ship where ID is, hold on, no, let's select from ship first. Select stuff from ship. Void River. So let's delete the first one where ID equals 01. Delete from ship, probably would be better. There we go. Okay, so I don't have this ship now in my profile. Of course it's not going to do it because I'm not running the software.
Voice input enabled. Good evening, Crondor. Connecting to LLM. Connection successful.
Alter trade profile, set starting budget 250 million.
Aye, my lord. Invalid starting budget. Try again.
Okay, and prompt needs to be fixed here so that
Voice input disabled.
it does not spell out the parameters, that it always uses the numbers and parameters. Because this has to be a number. So prompt factory. Always use numeric values for keys. Let's try that again.
Voice input enabled. Good evening, Crondor. Connecting to LLM. Connection successful.
Alter trade profile and set starting budget to 250 million.
Right away. Commander, invalid starting budget. Try again.
Yeah, see, it still wants Mhm. Does it have? No, it doesn't have instruction to spell out numerals. It just does it on its own. Alright, so parameter rules. Do not deviate. Use only exact names with times as command and template. If not template, return empty. Never invent new keys or values. Always use numeric values for keys. So this should pick this up. Example. Do I need to give you example? No, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, like this, for example. Let's see. Will it pick this up?
Voice input enabled. Good evening, Crondor. Connecting to LLM. Connection successful.
Alter trade profile, set starting budget 250 million.
Yes, my lord. Starting budget set to 250 million credits.
What is our trading profile at the moment?
Analyzing trade profile. Stand by. Oi, count. Here's the trade profile. Sharp and proper. We've got a starting capital of 250 million credits, max cargo capacity of 208 units. We're limited to 5 hops, with a max distance of 390 light years per hop. Stations can't be farther than 6,000 light seconds from the arrival point. We require large landing pads, no dodgy prohibited goods, but we're good for planetary landings and permit-locked systems. No fleet carriers though, and yes, we're cleared to stop at enemy strongholds if needed. Solid setup, in it.
Alright, calculate the trade route, please.
Affirmative. Crondor, calculating trade route. Please wait, this takes time. Calculated route with profit of 1,663,168 credits. Ask me to navigate to next trade station.
Alright, navigate to next port for trading.
Of course, Crondor. At this station, buy resonating separators and sell at Retrai Star System, Colonia Dreamport.
Cargo hold at maximum capacity.
Navigate to next trade port, please.
Certainly, Crondor. Travel to Retrai Colonia Dream to sell the freight. Route set.
Activate.
Yes, command.
Turn on the night vision, please.
Certainly, my lord.
Alright, let's get out of here. Jump to the next waypoint.
Right away, Commander. Traveling through hyperspace en route to Retry. Star Class K. Scoopable for fuel. Traffic. Total 12,167. Weekly 54. Daily 11. Deaths. Total 1,615. Weekly 6. Daily 0. Reminder: travel to Retry. Colonia Dream to sell the freight.
Set optimal speed.
Of course, Commander.
Drop.
Aye, aye, my lord.
Delay, say Papa, Romeo, India.
Contact the tower, get us docking.
Throttle down and commence with docking.
Yes, my lord.
Docking request approved. Plot route for approach to landing pad 39. Automated approach engaged.
Market data available.
Contact confirmed. Engaging docking restraints. Enjoy your stay at our facility, Commander.
Sold 208 units of resonating separators for 1,446,432 credits. Buy titanium. Sell at Garuda, Vera Rubin Complex Port.
Navigate to next trade port.
Of course, my lord. Travel to Garuda, Vera Rubin Complex to sell the freight. Route set.
Activate.
Of course, count.
Who runs the show in the star system? What's the controlling faction?
Ship is released. Your way is cleared for departure.
Right, Krondor. I'll scan the star system for the controlling faction. Hang tight, I'll dig up the intel on who's running the show here. No data in the logs yet, so I'll run a fresh sweep. Stand by for updates.
Yeah, check security. Who runs the show here?
Analyzing system security. Stand by. Oi, Krondor. Security in Retry is medium, not too shabby. The Colonia Cooperative calls the shots here. No major power play shenanigans, just local control. Population's just under 300,000. Traffic's buzzing with 12,000 plus ships total. 54 this week. Deaths are at 1,600 odd. 6 this week. None today. We're solid for now.
Okay, let's go.
Right away, Krondor.
All clear. Goodbye, Commander.
Traveling through hyperspace en route to Garuda. Star Class K. Scoopable for fuel. Traffic. Total 1,406. Weekly 2. Daily 0. Deaths. Total 32. Weekly 0. Daily 0. Reminder, travel to Garuda, Vera Rubin Complex to sell the freight.
What's our trade route? How many legs left?
Oi, Krondor. Here's the trade route breakdown. Sharp and proper. We're running 3 legs. Leg 2 from Retry, Colonia Dream with Titanium to Garuda, Vera Rubin Complex. Leg 3 from Garuda, Vera Rubin Complex with reactive armor to Colonia, Jacques Station. Leg 5 from Ratrai, Colonia Dream with military-grade fabrics to Sovereign's Reach, Harold's Respite. 3 legs left on this haul. Let's keep the pace, yeah?
Set optimal speed.
Affirmative, Krondor.
Orbital flight engaged.
Approaching Garuda A1B. Surface gravity is 0.06 g. Surface temperature is negative 108 degrees Celsius. No atmosphere detected. 11 materials identified.
Contact the tower, get us a landing pad.
Rye Crondor, we've conducted our regular pad check. All systems nominal at Lone Wolf. Ready to push on with the Empire's orders.
Request docking?
Certainly, Crondor.
Position authorized. Adjust heading for approach to pad 08. You are clear for automated approach, Commander.
Landing gear deployed.
Market data available.
Touchdown confirmed. Docking restraints engaged.
Sold 208 units of titanium for 1,105,936 credits. Buy reactive armor. Sell at Colonia, Jacques Station Port.
Cargo hold at maximum capacity.
Navigate to next trade port.
Right away, my lord. Travel to Colonia, Jacques Station to sell the freight. Route set.
Alright, so let's build this version. I still have to figure out why I unset my trade profile. It's probably somewhere in the clearing of the data. I'll look at it later, but
Voice input enabled. Good evening, Crondor. Connecting to LLM. Connection successful.
Activate.
Certainly, Crondor.
Detach confirmed. Make way for oncoming traffic.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Certainly, Crondor.
You are now beyond the port perimeter. Flight control out.
Traveling through hyperspace on route to Colonia. Star Class F, scoopable for fuel, traffic. Total 20,479, weekly 100, daily 21. Deaths. Total 3,842, weekly 7, daily 1. Reminder, travel to Colonia, Jacques Station to sell the freight.
Summarize detected signals.
Oi, Crondor, listen up. We've got a bloody armada of signals in Colonia. Over 100 fleet carriers and squadron carriers cluttering the spaceways, multiple installations including Colonia Bastion and Jacques Station, plus a handful of megaships and tourist beacons. On the action front, 3 resource extraction sites detected for hunting grounds, and a couple of nav beacons for reference. It's a right proper hub of activity out here in the black.
Drop.
Certainly, Count.
Contact tower. Request landing pad.
Right away, Count.
Request granted. successful.
Market data available. Sold 208 units of reactive armor for 603,200 credits. Head to Retry, Colonia Dream, and buy military-grade fabrics. Sell at Sovereign's Reach, Harold's Respite Port.
Navigate back to fleet carrier, please.
Certainly, my lord. Route set.
Clear reminders.
Right away, my lord. Reminders cleared.
Clear trade route.
Right away, Crondor. Trade route cleared.
Turn on the night vision.
Of course, Count.
Let's go.
Right away, Commander.
Landing gear deployed. Landing gear
Really? Sometimes this
Crondor,
happens.
You doubting me? I'm as serious as a bloody dreadnought in a scrap. What's on your mind then? Oi, Crondor, sometimes the unexpected hits us like a bloody ion storm.
Sometimes the status parsing returns like incorrect value, and then things get kind of screwed up. I need to figure that one out, what's going on with it. It kind of 90% of the time it's reliable, but that other 10% when it is not reliable is kind of suck. So I'm going to swap a ship, and we'll stack a couple of pirate missions, make sure that still works.
Voice input enabled. Good evening, Crondor. Connecting to LLM. Connection successful.
All right, let's go.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah, see that.
Roger that, Crondor. I see it loud and clear. What's the next move? En route to EL Pru QCKC90, Star Class G, scoopable for fuel, traffic. Total 84, weekly 0, daily 0, deaths. Total 1. Weekly 0, daily 0. Arrived at final destination. EL Pru QCKC90. Back at base.
Comms established. Hello, Commander.
Request landing pad.
Right away, Commander.
Permission granted. Check your landing pad assignment. That's an affirmative. See you soon, Commander.
Landing gear deployed.
Market data available.
Touchdown. Ship is secure. We've got you, Commander.
Shut down. There's a couple of bugs I need to record for myself. Scratch.txt to do. So check the status class. Sometimes it reports incorrect status. Does not happen often. And check landing and docking request. Sometimes it does not understand the colloquial term.
Voice input enabled. Good evening, Krondor. Connecting to LLM. Connection successful.
Navigate to Pirate Massacre mission provider, please.
Right away, count. Head to tier. Look for factions with missions against Retrieve system. Route set.
Activate.
Right away, count.
Landing gear retracted.
Confirmed. Ship released. Maintain a controlled speed until clear.
Let's go.
Yes, count.
Watch your six, Commander.
Traveling through hyperspace on route to EOL Pru, LWLC 8106, Star Class K, scoopable for fuel, traffic. Total 1741, weekly 2, daily 0, deaths. Total 5, weekly 0, daily 0.
Fuel summoning. Fuel scooping complete.
Okay, let's go.
Certainly, Krondor.
Ship drive charging.
Traveling through hyperspace on route to tier, Star Class K, scoopable for fuel, traffic. Total 11,272, weekly 32, daily 4, deaths. Total 575, weekly 1, daily 1. Arrived at final destination, tier.
Fuel scooping complete.
Show local map.
Yes, Krondor.
Drop.
Yes, Krondor.
Contact tower, get us a parking spot.
Right away, my lord.
Request approved. Set down on landing pad 3-5. You are clear for automated approach, Commander.
Landing gear deployed.
Market data available.
Landing successful. Dispatching ground crew.
Mission provider faction updated. Colonia Citizens Network. Mission accepted to kill 12 pirates from Brian's Thugs faction. Destination is Retry System. Colonia Dream Station. Reward is over 13 million credits, with increased influence and reputation.
Navigate to Pirate Massacre mission provider, please.
Affirmative. Command, head to EL Procol Centauri. Look for factions with missions against Retry System. Route set.
To ensure safety within the station, be considerate of other vessels when passing through the main access corridor.
Detach confirmed. You are clear to leave.
Jump.
Right away, Krondor.
Safe trip, Commander.
En route to EL Procol Centauri. Start past G. Scoopable for fuel. Traffic. Total 2,482. Weekly 2, daily 0. Deaths. Total 95. Weekly 0, daily 0. Arrived at final destination. EL Procol Centauri.
Show local map.
Right away, Krondor. Approaching Hutton Moon. Gravity is at 1.31 g, which is above safe levels. Surface temperature is 886 degrees Celsius. No atmosphere detected. 11 materials identified on the surface.
Request docking.
Right away count.
Good Maya, Papa Romeo, India. We hope you enjoy your stay at this terrestrial port, Commander. Permission authorized. Clear to land at docking bay 05. You are approved for automated dock.
Landing gear deployed.
Market data available.
Ship is on the ground, engaging docking restraints. It's good to have you with us, Commander.
Mission provider faction updated. HOTCOL. Mission accepted to kill 15 pirates from Brian's Thugs faction. Destination is Retry system. Colonia Dream Station. Reward is 20,632,180 credits. Influence and reputation gains are positive. Voice input disabled.
Alright, so the stuck 2 missions against the same faction. This one 12 and that one is 15, so the total kill is 15. Hopefully it will calculate everything correctly. I'll be right back.
Voice input enabled.
Plot route to the active mission.
Yes, Krondor. Head to retry system. Route set.
Landing gear retracted.
Landing locks are off. Clear for departure.
Super Cruise.
Of course, Commander.
You have now left the port perimeter. This is thrust cover.
4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Let's go.
Aye, aye, Commander.
Drive charging.
En route to Ratry. Star Class K. Scoopable for fuel. Traffic. Total 12,167. Weekly 54. Daily 11. Deaths. Total 1,615. Weekly 6. Daily 0.
Objective detected.
Reminder. Head to Colonia Dream.
Clear reminders, please.
Certainly, Commander. Reminders cleared. Super Cruise exit occur. Threat level is 4.
Weapons hot.
Oi, Krondor. Things are heating up out there. Got no fresh intel in the databanks to spill. But if there's a
Weapons
fire,
hot.
we're ready to douse it or fan the flames for the Empire. What's the latest scuttlebutt on your end? Contact. Legal target Viper MK3. Eric Go. Dangerous. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 300,000 credits.
Alright, deploy hardpoints.
Of course, Commander. Contact. Legal target Cobra NK3. Frying Doom. Dangerous. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 100,000 credits. Contact lost.
Night vision on.
Aye aye. Count. Contact. Legal target Diamondback Explorer. Rowan Cornet. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits. Shields 7%. Contact. Legal target Imperial Courier. George Churchill. Elite. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits. Cargo scan detected. Cargo scan detected. Contact. Mission target. Vouguet. Expert. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly
Target power
40,000
plant.
credits. Of course, Crondor. Cargo scan detected.
Max weapons.
Aye aye, Commander. Mission kill confirmed. 38,082 bounty claimed. Contact lost. Contact. Legal target Viper MK4. Hex. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 300,000 credits. Shields. 31%. Contact. Legal target Viper MK3. Eric Gore. Dangerous. Wanted. Bounty.
Target power
Roughly
plant.
300,000 credits. Contact. Mission target Diamondback Scout. Jut P. Master. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits. Affirmative. Crondor.
Max weapons.
Yes, Count. Mission kill confirmed. 281,859 bounty claim. Contact lost. Contact lost.
How many kills remain on the pirate missions?
Analyzing mission data. Stand by. Oi, Crondor. We've got 13 kills left to wrap up these pirate missions. Let's get cracking.
Scan detected.
Contacts lost.
Target power plant.
Mission target Cobra MK4. Justin Calvert. Dangerous.
Max weapons.
Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits. Affirmative. Commander. Contact lost. Mission kill confirmed. 315,832 bounty claim. Contact lost. Contact. Legal target Cobra MK4. Max Hawk. Dangerous. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 300,000 credits. Contact. Legal target Cobra MK3. Peter Silly. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits. Contact. Legal target. Dr. Howard Hughes. Dangerous. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 40,000 credits. Contact. Legal target Imperial Courier. The Boy Raj. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 90,000 credits. Contact lost.
Target power plant.
Mission target Viper MK3. Cecil John Edwards. Dangerous. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits. Affirmative. Count.
Max weapons.
Right away, my lord. Mission kill confirmed. 212,746. Bounty claim. Contact lost. Contact. Legal target Imperial Courier. The Boy Raj. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 90,000 credits. Contact. Legal target Cobra MK4. Max Hawk. Dangerous. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 300,000 credits. Collected 3 units of shield cycle recordings. Total in storage is 233 units. Contact. Mission target. Emma Louise. Competent. Wanted. Bounty.
Target power
Roughly
plant.
30,000 credits. Yes, command. Cargo scan detected.
Max weapons.
Certainly, Crondor. Mission kill confirmed.
Target power plant.
32,890 bounty claimed. Contact lost. Contact. Mission target. Mishutka. Competent. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 70,000 credits. Yes, Krondor.
Target power plant.
Mission target. Jean-Marc Chipullo. Master. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 40,000 credits. Aye aye, my lord. Contact. Mission target. Jean-Marc Chipullo. Master. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 40,000 credits. Shields offline.
Max weapons.
Aye aye, my lord. Contact lost. Contact. Legal target Diamondback Explorer. Matthew Bladen. Dangerous wanted. Bounty. Roughly 300,000 credits. Contact. Legal target Cobra MK4. Alexandros. KARRAS. Master. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 300,000 credits. Contact lost. Kill confirmed. 343,488 bounty claim. Contact lost. Contact. Legal target Diamondback Explorer. Edgar Santiago. Master. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits. Cargo scan detected. Contact. Mission
Target power plant.
K3. Herbert Zink. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 300,000 credits. Aye aye, Commander. Mission kill confirmed. 268,561 bounty claim. Contact lost. Cargo scan detected. Contact. Mission target Cobra MK3. Hawk. Dangerous. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits.
Max weapons.
Affirmative. Count. Mission kill confirmed. 153,816 bounty claimed. Contact lost. Contact. Mission target.
Target power
Michael
plant?
Hill, Elite. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 70,000 credits. Aye aye, Crondor.
Max weapons.
Aye aye, Count. Contact lost. Contact. Mission target. Zyga. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 100,000 credits. Mission kill confirmed. 103,100 bounty claim. Contact lost. Contact. Mission target. Zyga. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 100,000 credits. Shields. 4%. Hull. 26%. Mission kill confirmed. 105,233 bounty claim. Contact lost.
Kills remaining on the missions.
Oi, Crondor. I've got no data on any Romanian targets or mission kills in our logs. If you've got specifics or intel to share, I'm all ears. Lay it out, and I'll dig into it sharpish.
Analyze pirate missions. How many kills remain?
Analyzing mission data. Stand by. Oi, Count. We've got 5 kills left to wrap up these pirate missions. Let's get cracking and finish this job sharpish. Contact. Mission target. John Francisville Lines.
Target power
Master.
plant.
Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 60,000 credits. Affirmative. Crondor.
Max weapons.
Right away, Commander. Mission kill confirmed. 99,930 bounty claim. Contact lost. Contact lost. Contact. Legal target Diamondback Scout. Cleary. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 100,000 credits. Shields. 13%. Hull. 19%. Contact lost. Contact. Legal target Viper MK4. Patrick Magnuson. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits.
Target power plant.
Contact. Mission target Diamondback Explorer. Saturnino Ascaris. Dangerous.
Max weapons.
Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits. Yes, Crondor. Cargo scan detected. Cargo scan detected. Mission kill confirmed. 185,671 bounty claim. Contact lost. Mission for Colonia Citizens Network is redirected to Tier Bolden's Enterprise. Contact.
Target power
Mission
plant.
Target. Xerxes Doomhammer. Dangerous. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 50,000 credits. Certainly Condor. Mission kill confirmed. 85,341 bounty claimed. Contact lost.
Target power plant.
Mission target Imperial Courier. Maloney. Deadly. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 90,000 credits. Of course, Condor.
Max weapons.
Yes, Count. Mission kill confirmed. 91,142. Bounty claimed. Contact lost. Contact.
Target power
Mission
plant.
target. Walshufa. Elite. Wanted. Bounty. Roughly 200,000 credits. Affirmative. Count.
Max weapons.
Of course, Condor. Mission kill confirmed. 159,000 bounty claimed. Contact lost. Mission for HOTCOL is redirected to EOL Procol Centauri, Fort Mug.
Navigate to active mission.
Yes, Crondor. Command not found.
Navigate to active mission.
Yes, Crondor. Head to tier system. Route set.
Enter Super Cruise.
Yes, Crondor.
Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go.
Affirmative. Count. Traveling through hyperspace en route to Teal, Star Class K, scoopable for fuel, traffic, total 11,272, weekly 32, daily 4, deaths, total 575, weekly 1, daily 1. Reminder, head to Bolden's Enterprise.
What's our profit from the pirate missions?
Analyzing mission data. Stand by. Oi, Krondor. We've raked in a cracking 36,443,544 credits from those pirate missions. Proper tidy sum, in it.
Drop.
Yes, Krondor.
Alright, get us a parking spot.
Welcome to this independent station, Commander.
Right away, Krondor.
Fly safely during arrival and departure. Access granted. Set down on landing pad 07. Automated docking approved.
Landing gear deployed.
Regulations reminder. Please do not obstruct the access corridor during arrival or departure.
Market data available.
Landing successful. Docking restraints engaged.
Mission against Brian's thugs completed successfully. 12 pirates from the faction were eliminated. Destination system is Retry, and destination station is Colonia Dream. Reward earned is 10,854,283 credits.
Navigate to active mission.
Right away, my lord. Head to Aeol Procul Centauri system. Route set.
Activate.
Affirmative. Crondor.
Landing gear retracted.
Ship released. Departure authorized.
Jump.
Aye aye. Crondor.
You have left the no-fire zone. Flight control out.
Traveling through hyperspace en route to EO Procol Centauri. Star Class G. Scootable for fuel. Traffic. Total 2,482. Weekly 2. Daily 0. Deaths. Total 95. Weekly 0. Daily 0. Reminder. Head to Fort Mug.
Orbital flight engaged.
Approaching Hutton Moon, gravity is at 1.31 g, exceeding safe levels. Surface temperature is 886 degrees Celsius. No atmosphere detected. 11 materials identified on the surface.
Contact the tower, get us a parking spot.
Of course, Crondor.
Good Maya, Papa Romeo, India.
Taxi.
We hope you enjoy your stay at this terrestrial port, Commander.
Certainly, Crondor.
Access granted. Please head directly for Bay 06. Automated docking initiated.
Landing gear deployed.
Market data available.
Ship is on the ground. Commence power down. We're pleased to have you, Commander.
Mission against Brian's Thugs faction completed. Objective to kill 15 pirates achieved. Destination system was Retry, and destination station was Colonia Dream. Reward amounted to 18,226,180 credits. A bounty payment of 2,551,081 credits was awarded. The majority, 2,256,101 credits, came from the Colonia Cooperative faction.
Alright, navigate back to the fleet carrier. Let's get back to base.
Right away, count. Route set.
Activate.
Yes, Krondor.
Ship detached. You may leave when ready. You have now left the port perimeter. Goodbye, Commander.
Alright, let's go.
Affirmative, my lord.
Drive charging.
Traveling through hyperspace en route to Eel Crew QCKC90. Star Class G. Scoopable for fuel. Traffic. Total 84. Weekly 0. Daily 0. Deaths. Total 1. Weekly 0. Daily 0. Reminder, head to Fort Mug.
Clear the reminders.
Head to Fort Mug.
Clear the reminders, please.
Of course, Krondor. Reminders cleared.
Access fleet carrier statistics. Tell me how long can we operate and how far can we go?
Analyzing fleet carrier data. Stand by. Oi, Krondor. We're flush for ops. Carrier's funded for 63 weeks of action, and we can push a stonking 77,000 light years on current fuel. Let's get cracking.
Drop.
Aye, aye, my lord. Back at base.
Contact the tower and request docking.
Affirmative. Crondor.
Clearance granted. Move directly to your landing pad. Request accepted. Your docking computer has assumed control.
Market data available.
Touchdown. Ship is secure. We've got you, Commander.
No gravity. Magnetic contact active.
Terminate connection and shut down. Alright, so a couple of bugs I found this session that I need to fix. Maybe try other mission types before I leave, and then I'm going to head out into the black for a long while. So I probably will not be streaming. At least won't be streaming this game. Maybe I'll do some Clear Obscure. I haven't played that one in a while. Now that the Ubisoft is falling apart completely with a stock at what is it, 0.93 cents or some shit like that. 10 cents is what it costs really. Alright, thank you for hanging out with me today. And signing off, time for dinner.